Hi, and welcome back to the Mr. Brad Worden Show. And I'm here with you to review a new kind of hot sauce. So it's Yellowbird hot sauce. And you can see the crazy little yellow bird on the label of it. So Yellowbird is a new hot sauce company, which is in 2003 out of Texas. And they have different standard peppered flavors, and they have some mixture of flavors. So you can find these at yellowbirdfoods.com. This one's habanero hot sauce. It's one of the hotter ones, but they do make a ghost pepper one too, which I didn't find that one at the location. So I'll try the habanero hot sauce. It should be good flavor too, because it's got a bunch of different ingredients in here. Carrots, onions, habaneros, garlic, cane sugar, tangerine juice, lime juice.
Does it have chicken in it?
It should have chicken in it too, because it's Yellowbird or a bird of some nature, but it doesn't. But it looks a little yellowish, so let's do a little taste test of Yellowbird for the first time. See if the hot sauce is as good as advertised. Alright, got the seal on there. Smells pretty good. Let's just go straight out there instead of dealing with the bottle hose. Ooh. Nice spoonful. Hopefully it's not too scary and hot. Just kidding. That is pretty good. I can taste the garlic and the other flavors. A little bit of that citrusy. It actually tastes pretty good. And heat level for habanero is actually pretty good too. Can taste a little bit of habanero. All right, this is definitely, take one more spoonful. They suggest you add it with foods. This would be a good one. This really is good. Like some hot sauces are too vinegary, they're too thin. This is nice and thick. It's a nice, thick, savory sauce. It tastes really nice. It's not overwhelmingly habanero or hot, but it is hot enough where eating it like me, most people probably wouldn't do. I would say probably 7 to 8 for an average person doing what I'm doing, but it's meant to be added with food. It's really got that nice garlicky flavor. So, I don't know, you could add it for quite a bit of foods, I would think. Oh yeah. This is definitely worth it. Now, these size bottles I got lucky with online because it's new and it's a pretty good product, I would say, this Yellowbird. It's a little bit pricey online, but I found these small bottles, which are not super duper small. It's a 2.2 ounce bottle for only $1 at the local Walmart. So, I mean, and there were different flavors there, not all of them, but they make about 5 standard pepper ones, ghost habanero, I think jalapeno, serrano, and can't remember the other one. And then they make a few like mixed flavors, like actual seasoned type flavors. I didn't see any of those there. But even though this says habanero, I get a lot of other nice flavors going on in there. It's not just like a straight habanero sauce. It's a nice, thick, savory sauce, not over vinegary like some are. And so I would highly recommend this one. And I would actually probably shop some of the other flavors from the Yellowbird too now after tasting this. I would definitely recommend this brand now. So Yellowbird, new company, habanero hot sauce, and would be interested to try some of their other flavors too. All right, hope you enjoyed. Good hot sauce here. See you next time on the Mr. Brad Worden Show.